today we're going to be making a Mother's Day special checkered cake. The ingredients that you'll need are 4 different side circle objects. If you don't understand what we're doing right now, I'll talk about that later in the video. A cake mixer, 2 cake mixes. In this case we use Betty Crocker's Golden Cake Mix and Betty Crocker's Doubled Food Cake Mix. Just follow the instructions in the back. Our cake mix said we needed milk, oil, and eggs. And we're also going to use a 9-inch buttered pan. And we're also going to make our homemade cream cheese frosting. You're going to need half a cup of melted butter, 1 cup of cream cheese, and 4 cups of powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And if you want, you can use food coloring and Nutella. First, we're going to be using our golden cake mix. So take your first cake mix and pour it into your cake mixer or your bowl. Like so. Now you're going to want to add your eggs, your milk, and finally your oil. And make sure to beat this on 2. Since it's Mother's Day, we can add an additional ingredient, which is food coloring. This is optional, so you don't have to do it. Just gonna lock this and put it on. Now that you got the color that you want, we chose this nice hot pink. You're gonna wanna pour it into your 9-inch pan that's buttered. Make sure to tap it so it evenly goes, because you don't want it to be uneven, or the checkered pattern won't look nice. So now we've done the same thing to the chocolate batter, and we're going to put it in the oven. Now we're going to make our cream cheese frosting. What you're going to put in your bowl is your cream cheese, your butter, your powdered sugar, your vanilla extract, and your salt. You're going to mix that for about 5 to 10 minutes on 4. Make sure out of the oven. So at the beginning of the video, I told you guys to get 4 objects that are circular. So the reason why we did this was so you could cut out a layer for each one, because then this way when we stack them on top of each other, when you frost them with some icing, it will have a sketchered pattern, which we want.
Our finished cake, this is what turns out after you ice it. And if you'd like, you could add some sprinkles to the side or on the cake. And if you want, you can crumble up the extra cake and add it as a presentation look. And we also added the leftover cream cheese that we had, and we mixed it with rose essence to get the pink color. And obviously we're not professional chefs. We tried our best, and we wanted to do this to make our mom happy. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.